The one Andrew's holding looks almost exactly like Oreo. I mean, the coloring is like almost the same. Can I see Rosie again?
Let her walk to you, right?
Oh, she's actually doing it.
I love that
I
Rosie
got you.
looks just like Pudge did.
She does.
I
Andrew,
mean,
there's
it's
one in
really
your
like
foot.
they're going to be.
Yeah, a little escape.
Hi, Rosie.
That one was scared.
I just said Rosie again.
Sweetie.